Hello, and welcome to this module on marketing research. This video provides an introduction and overview of the Define Research Problem process.
A marketing research project starts with defining the research problem and ends with the solution to the problem. Because this step sets the course of the research project, defining the research problem is the most important step in the life cycle of the research project. The success of the research project is, in fact, highly dependent on whether the problem statement has been clearly and accurately identified at the outset. The research problem provides the context for the research design and therefore should be focused, appropriate, and clear in order to effectively guide the efforts of the research team throughout the project lifecycle. Defining the research problem involves analysis of the management problem along with insights into the company's future direction and strategy. A comprehensive analysis of many factors helps the team define a proper research problem and set clear research objectives. There are numerous examples in which research problems are defined based on intuition, and this approach can lead to the failure of the marketing research project. Clear definition of the marketing research problem will help ensure that useful and meaningful information is gained from the research project, and will help the team avoid additional costs and delays from start to finish. Identification of the research problem is also one of the most difficult phases in a project. Often, the problem or the source of the problem is too broad or vague for the researcher to investigate. The problem faced by the decision makers needs to be analyzed in order to narrow the broad management problem area into a research problem. The research problem definition should be neither too broad nor too narrow. A research problem that is too broad will not provide enough focus for subsequent steps. For example, improving the image of a brand is too broad of a problem area to investigate. If the problem definition is too narrow, there is the possibility of overlooking or missing important components. For example, if the investigation of low sales is limited to analyzing customer reactions to a price increase, then the research team will likely miss other factors, such as seasonality and point-of-sale promotions. During this process, the researcher tries to understand the background of the management problem, gathers relevant information and context, has discussions with important stakeholders, and conducts an analysis.
This figure shows the inputs, tools, and outputs for the Define Research Problem process. With that, we've reached the end of this video. Thank you for learning with us.